Hello and welcome to Joseph IT. Today we will be learning how to screenshot the full page of DeepSeek search page top to bottom. Here you can see the whole search page scrolling, but with normal process you cannot take screenshot of more than it's visible. So, let's do it with a simple extension. Go to 3 dots. Extension. Manage extensions. Then come to Chrome Web Store. Search for FireShot. A simple but powerful tool for Chrome. Simple click here and add to Chrome. I already have added. The extension icons is this. I am back to DeepSeek. To capture the whole page, I need to click Capture Entire Page. And you can see, within some simple seconds the web page is being auto-scrolled and taken as screenshot. Here you can see the output of the entire page. These are the functions you can use now. You can take this screenshot as image. Also as a PDF. The quality you can see is really awesome. No glitch or page scramble is there. Also, taking it as a PDF. So, this is how you can simply capture the whole DeepSeek research page as image or PDF easily. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.